Health experts say drinking aloe vera juice on an empty stomach is an effective way to lose weight, improve absorption of nutrients in your body, and ease bowel function. Aloe vera juice can also help to maintain dental health. Aloe vera drink should ideally be consumed on an empty stomach. 20 milliliters should be mixed with a glass of water. As with anything delicious, be careful not to overdo it. Experts say a cup of aloe vera juice a day is a good limit. Aloe vera juice contains anthraquinone glycosides. These are plant compounds with laxative effects that could help relieve constipation. However, research on this topic is outdated and the safety of using aloe vera juice to treat constipation is unknown. Aloe vera juice consumption flushes out toxins from the body. Drinking it early in the morning will help you in many ways, right from curing digestive issues to cleaning the system. Aloe vera is thought to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it a potential treatment for burns and other skin disorders like atopic dermatitis. Many of the benefits of aloe vera on skin health are seen when it's applied topically, rather than consumed as a drink. Still, limited research on oral aloe vera supplements does exist. Older research has indicated that both the gel and juice from aloe vera may lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. While this sounds promising, research is limited. Larger, randomized, and controlled trials are needed to confirm the relationship between aloe vera juice and blood sugar control. Additionally, aloe vera extract supplements are not standardized, regulated, or considered a safe alternative treatment for diabetes. Similarly, be sure to review aloe vera supplements or juices with your doctor first if you're taking any medications to avoid possible interactions, including adding aloe vera juice or supplements to your routine. Thank you for watching, hopefully useful.